Luno is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and store various digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Here's how you can make money on Luno. Trading cryptocurrencies. Buy low, sell high. One of the most common ways to make money on Luno is by trading cryptocurrencies. You can buy when prices are low and sell when prices are high, capitalizing on market fluctuations. Ensure you research and analyze the market before making trades. Use Luno's trading features. Luno offers a simple, user-friendly platform for trading. You can use market orders, limit orders, and stop orders to optimize your trading strategy. Luno savings and earn programs. Earn interest on crypto. Luno allows users to earn interest on their crypto holdings through their Earn program. You can deposit certain cryptocurrencies and earn interest over time. The interest rate is competitive and can be a passive income source. Referral program. Luno has a referral program where you can earn money by inviting others to join the platform. You earn a commission when your referrals make their first trade, and they also receive a bonus for signing up. By trading strategically, earning interest, and using the referral program, you can generate income through Luno.